Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So, did you like the video last night, how I got monetized? I was naming it how to get monetized, but this is how I got monetized. I don't know if this works for everybody. That's why I had to change the title. So that's how I got monetized within 30 days. Okay, you might go 30 to 60, but let's talk about this video today. So I want to talk about how to edit, right? So how people edit their videos, their content. If you have a phone, I feel like it's easier because I started 6 years ago with a phone. I had like the iPhone 2. I don't even understand, a 2 or 3, I don't know, but that's what I started with. So if you go way back in Starseed journey on my other channel, my first one, I was like, yeah, I was really an amateur, but I was doing my thing. Okay. Aww. Thank you. So I have about 6 different apps. Some of them are free, some of them are not, but I will tell you the ones that are free. But the most popular, I have iPhone. If you don't have an iPhone, I will also tell you what app you can use if you don't have an iPhone. All right, I'm getting gas. Well, not me, but you already know. So let's talk about it. I use iMovie, and basically that's if you have an iPhone. If you don't have an iPhone, you don't need one. You could use another app. So it's another app called Video Leap. But let's talk about iMovie. So iMovie, what you'll do is, it's right here. I'm going to do like a scroll up so that y'all could see. So while I'm speaking, it'll be on the screen. iMovie, you basically would upload, you open the app, you'll see a little plus sign. You will swipe over and you'll see what you're supposed to do on it. You'll, check out different features and, see if you want to do a movie or you want to do a short. The length of the movie, what you want to put in it. Do you want to put little smiley faces, little pop-ups, like how you see people go ding? You got the sound, you add the sound to it. You'll put like a face to it, or you'll do an animation, like, which is a moving animation. You understand? Like, it depends on what you want to do. This is all about you. Remember, guys, this is you. This is your channel. You do what you want to do. Nobody can tell you what to do. You do it. Because when you start following the crowd, start following everything everybody else got to say, that's when you start losing your authenticity. And remember what I told you, the way to win on YouTube is be authentic. Be yourself. Be yourself, because everybody else is taken. Yeah, that's a good one. So you should put that on a shirt. I should put that on a shirt. Anywho, but don't forget my 10% if you put it. Now, the other one is InstaShot. InstaShot is all about Instagram. Like, so if you on Instagram, and some of these are free, and so iMovie is free, and that's if you have an iPhone, right? And then InstaShot, you don't have to have an iPhone. You could have a regular phone, regular Android, Galaxy, whatever you have, Motorola, and you could use InstaShot. InstaShot is just basically like faster. iMovie, I believe, is slower. And what you do on there is you upload what you have already and you just tweak it. So this is like much faster. This is for like a more advanced crowd. This is not if you're beginning, if you're starting out, you already know what to do, So you'll go on that. If you like some people go big on TikTok, they go big on Instagram. They're not all about YouTube, but this is all about YouTube. So if you feel that you're not with the YouTube wave, I was drinking some sweet tea and it looks like there's a line right here. Do y'all see it? It keeps driving me crazy. But anyway, it's the lighting. If you are a big Instagram fanatic, go to InstaShot. It's called InstaShot. I'll put it right here. So y'all know what it looks like. So when you go in your app store, go in your media player store. I'm not sure with Android what it's called, but maybe it's your multimedia gallery or your shopping gallery, go into your, not your photo gallery, but go into your media center, I believe. But you already know, no shade, no shade, no tea, no shade. Yeah. So, all right, guys. So as you see, I had to change around my scene. I'm inside now. So I didn't even take off my jacket. I just want to get this out to you guys. So the next one is going to be Video Leap. Or Video Loop. I believe Video Leap. Video Leap is basically the same. I'm going to post it and put it right here so you can see. Go along with me. So what you do is you get the video that you want or the photo, either or. This app, it has great effects. So like if you're like a special effects kind of person, you want to put it all out there. You want to have like different colors, like dimensions, you like skateboarding or you riding or you outside. This is like a lot of movement. See how I'm inside? This is not really for me. It's going to be for the person that's outside active. If you outside, if you're in the gym, you feel me? If you swimming, running, biking, driving, stuff like this, you know, going on an adventure trip. So you basically put it in there, you press the plus sign. It's like all the other ones. You add what you want to do, you go down to the effects, you put what you want, and that's it. The next one is the greatest one for me, I believe, because I use two. iMovie, because I have an iPhone, and CapCut. I used to use Video Leap. You see, I was going to say that. But CapCut is great. So it's free. You also could have CapCut Pro. That is, you have to pay for it yearly. I pay for it monthly. It's only $2.99 or something like that. I pay because I don't use that much. I only use it like if you hear like fireworks or you hear like pop, 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 pop. You hear certain sounds. I like it, and it is, you need to pay for it. But YouTube also has their own media where you do not get copywritten. So you could also go into YouTube media, YouTube gallery, I believe, go into your analytics and then go scroll down and you'll see it on the left side. But that's another video. Now these apps, oh, perfect. Awesome. You go down in CapCut, you add your video, you put what you want to say, you put your text, you add your title, you come out of that, you go into your sounds, you go into your dimensions, you go into the clips. You could cut a clip, delete a clip, add a clip, go back, do an overlay, just like how I'm doing right now. I'm in CapCut. So y'all already know, if you like me editing on here, this is how it looks to edit on CapCut. And the video intro, that is done by something else. So your intro video, it could also be done by CapCut. It's just music and a short time. You'll do what you want to do. You can mix it up, put a move-in movie. You could go out into background, delete background, and delete the backgrounds like how you see in my thumbnail. That's going to be another video, how to make a thumbnail. So if you like how I put how to make a thumbnail, how to edit my video on YouTube, if you like that, subscribe to my channel for much more videos, much more content. Don't forget, this channel is new. I came from Starseed Journey. Starseed Journey has 4,000 subscribers and it's going up. But recently the subscribers been dropping. I don't know what's going on. Y'all already know. I don't know. But I'm going to post a video of why you start losing subscribers, what YouTube is doing. So it's YouTube. And my old channel was all about trying to conceive. I did IVF to have my kids, and that was the journey of me being a single mother doing IVF. I did breastfeeding. I did vegan cooking. I went vegan for 8 years. I did a whole bunch of salmon cooking, a whole bunch of different recipes. I did juicing. I'm all about being green on that channel. Okay, so I'm showing you in this little clip. I'm showing you, and if you want, you could go subscribe to that channel. You could join that channel, but this channel is totally different. This channel, I only want to be helping you, and also since I'm a single mom, you will be going along with me with my kids and seeing what I do as a single mom, daily things that we do, all the tasks that we do. That I might make it look easy, but honey, trust and believe, it is not. I just go every day with a smile. I pray, and God just leads my way. So I just want to thank y'all again for all your support. I want to thank y'all for even clicking on my channel. You don't have to be anywhere, but you here with me, and I want to thank you. Ding. for that. I hope this video helped you, and I hope my other videos help you. I hope it motivates you. And I'm going to be posting more content, more motivational content, and just helping you along your YouTube journey. And even if you're not on YouTube, you're on Instagram, TikTok, you on Lemon something, you Lemonade. It's all these different channels, all these different places, these platforms that can help you grow. It's not only YouTube. So if you're scared, don't be. I did it, you could do it. Nobody helped me. No one still is helping me. All these years later, I still don't have help from anyone. They just ask me questions, which is crazy, right? But that's how life is, right? You just got to go with the flow. All right, guys. Well, thanks for liking, subscribing. Click the subscribe button right here. All right, like the video, leave me a comment, and I appreciate you for everything you do every day, for just showing up. All right, bye guys.